Have you ever wondered why time seems to slow down when you're waiting for something exciting, but races when you're having fun? Could it be possible that time itself is flexible, not rigid as we often assume? Today, we're going to explore a revolutionary concept that might just change your perspective on time and space: the theory of relativity. In the early 20th century, a brilliant mind named Albert Einstein introduced us to this groundbreaking theory. It's a theory that doesn't just deal with the physical world as we know it, but dives deep into the very fabric of reality, shaking our understanding of time and space to its core. The theory of relativity consists of two parts: special relativity and general relativity. Special relativity, the first part, tells us that the laws of physics are the same for all observers, no matter their speed or direction. That means if you're sitting still or moving at a constant speed, the same physical laws apply to you. But what about light? This is where it gets interesting. According to special relativity, the speed of light is the same for all observers, regardless of their motion or the motion of the light source. Imagine you're on a spaceship moving at half the speed of light, and you turn on a flashlight. You'd expect the beam to move at 1.5 times the speed of light from a stationary observer's perspective, right? But no, it will still travel at the speed of light. Mind-boggling, isn't it? Now, onto general relativity, the second part. While special relativity deals with objects moving at constant speeds, general relativity deals with objects that are accelerating, particularly due to gravity. According to this theory, massive objects like planets and stars warp the fabric of space-time around them. This warping creates what we perceive as gravity. So, when an object falls towards the Earth, it's merely following the curve of space-time created by the Earth's mass. To summarize, the theory of relativity is a fundamental concept that reshapes our understanding of the universe. It tells us that the laws of physics are the same for all observers, that the speed of light is constant, and that massive objects warp space-time, creating what we perceive as gravity. In a world where time seems to fly or crawl based on our experiences, the theory of relativity offers a fascinating insight. Time and space are not as rigid and unchangeable as we might think. They are flexible, bending and warping under the influence of speed and gravity. So, next time you're impatiently watching the clock, remember, time is not as straightforward as it seems. And that's the beauty of Einstein's theory of relativity. It challenges us to see the world differently, to question our assumptions, and to understand that reality is far more complex and fascinating than we could ever imagine.